In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage dashboards in Asana. By the end, you'll feel confident opening your dashboards, creating one from scratch or jumping into an existing one, adding the right charts, and organizing everything so your most important data is always front and center. Start by heading to the sidebar in Asana and opening reporting or dashboards, depending on how it appears in your workspace. This is your central hub for visualizing project progress and team activity. If you're not seeing it right away, scroll through the left-hand menu. Asana groups reporting tools together so they're easy to access whenever you need a quick snapshot of your work. From here, you can click the plus sign labeled New Dashboard to create a fresh space, or simply select an existing dashboard if you already have one set up. Creating a new dashboard is great when you want a focused view for a single team, initiative, or time period. If you're choosing an existing dashboard, take a moment to scan what's already there so you can build on it rather than duplicating effort. Next, click Add Chart to start visualizing your data. You'll be prompted to choose a chart type. Think bar or line charts for trends, donut charts for breakdowns, or a simple number card for a quick KPI. After choosing the type, set your filters so the chart reflects exactly what you care about. That might include selecting the relevant project or portfolio, narrowing by assignee, status, section, tag, or date range. Clear filters make your charts actionable. For example, filter to incomplete tasks due this week to keep an eye on upcoming work, or completed tasks by month to track throughput. Take a moment to confirm the chart is telling a precise story, not a noisy one. If you need to refine the data, adjust the filters until the view is concise and aligned to your goal. Once you have a few charts in place, drag them to rearrange the layout. Put your highest priority metrics at the top so they're the first thing you see. Group related charts next to each other to make comparisons easy. If a chart needs tweaking or you no longer need it, use the three dots, the menu on the chart card, to edit its configuration or delete it. Editing lets you revisit the chart type, and filters to keep your dashboard accurate as your work evolves. That's it. Open your dashboards from the sidebar, create or select one, add well-filtered charts, and organize the layout with simple drag and drop and quick edits. Asana will keep everything up to date so your dashboard becomes a reliable, real-time command center for your team.